Every morning I wake up to this, a full brief on my business before I even open a single dashboard. I build a whole system with Cloud Code and Cloud Cowork, and picking the wrong one for the job is why most people never get here. On one side we have Cloud Code putting the tracking into my app, and then on the other side we have Cowork reading the same data back to me the next morning. Tom from my school community couldn't work out when to use Cloud Code and when to use Cowork, so I made this video for him and for anyone stuck on the same thing. And at the end, I'll give you one question to ask yourself before you start building anything, so you know exactly which one to use. Just a little bit about my background. So I'm a developer and I run a business on top of that. Claude Code wired Stripe, Brevo, Postcode and Google Analytics into my app, but I wouldn't open Claude Code to read any of that data back to me. So the split works like this, and then I'll show you both jobs properly. And here's the thing that got Tom surprised. These two are the exact same AI, same models, same skills, same connectors. When you build a skill for one of them, it works in the other one too. So it was never about which one is more powerful. It's about which side of your business you are standing on right now. Cloud Code builds the system, payment flows, interactions, tracking, features, tests, anything that ends up as a code in your repo. Cowork reads it back to you. Reports, briefings, research, anything that ends up on your screen instead of in your repo. Let's start with a build side. So in this case, I want Google Analytics in the app with event tracking on the flows I care about, not just a script pasted into the head tag. So this is Cloud Code sitting in my repo. It reads the projects, it knows the frameworks, it finds my layout file. Then it adds the tracking, wires the events up to the right components, and I go to review a diff before any of this ships. And that diff is the whole reason this side belongs to Cloud Code. This is the bit that took Tom longest to understand. Writing the code was never the hard part. The hard part is landing it safely in a project that already works, and the diff is how you do that. Stripe and the Brevo and everything else was implemented in my app in the same way. Webhooks, error handling, endpoints, all reviewed as diffs. And honestly, that's the easy half. The second half is when we want to read our data back. So I want to know what data says every morning without opening 4 different dashboards. So this is Cowork. I got it connected to Postcode, Google Analytics, Brevo and my books. It goes through all of them, cross-references everything and writes me one document. A written answer and not the 4 dashboards I got to sit there and switch together myself. And the best part is that I'm not typing the fresh prompt every morning. I wrote a skill for all of this. It tells Cowork exactly what to pull, what counts as word flagging, and how I want the brief laid out. With this, I get the same shape of report every single day instead of whatever Claude feels like writing today. And then at the end, I stop asking altogether. The whole thing runs as a scheduled task now, so the brief's already sitting there when I wake up. It just shows up every morning. You wouldn't build this in a Cloud Code. It's the same model, so it could do the work, but this job has no repo, no difference, no commit. What comes out on the other end is a document I read with my coffee. And one correction while I'm still here, because this is the exactly what Tom got stuck on, and I see people repeating it constantly. Cowork can write and run code. It's a Linux sandbox, so Bash, Python, Node, installing packages, running tests, all of that works. The difference is that Cloud Code works on your repo in place and Cowork works in its own sandbox and hands the file back to you. So in this case, it's about location and not capability. So before you open either one, ask yourself one question. Am I building this or am I reading it? If you're building it, that's Cloud Code. If you're reading what it made, that's Cowork. Building Stripe into your app, that's building. Finding out what Stripe made you last week, that's reading. Installing your analytics, building. Reading your analytics, reading. And once you start asking that question, you stop wondering which one to use. And if you don't write code at all, the answer is always Cowork. That's not the beginner's version, it's just the other side and the right tool to use. If this cleared it up for you, subscribe and drop a like. And tell me in the comments what you'd put on each side for your own setup. I read all of them and then pretty much decide what do I make next. See you in the next one.